Hey guys, good morning. I'm just gonna let you guys know right now. For those of you asking for a doggy TA or anything like that, I think doggy's going down. There's no need for me to do a TA anymore. I mean, I can do a TA for you guys if you guys want, just to kind of give you guys a general direction. But the big point of this is that doggy is not trailing Bitcoin anymore, man. Look at this. When doggy was actually trailing Bitcoin, you guys can see a pretty. Look, watch. For the most part, you can see the chart should sort of match up, right? Look at Doggy's chart for the month. Look at Bitcoin's chart for the month. Like Bitcoin's been trailing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down for the last month. Doggy is just a straight shot, just went up, right back down. And for the most part, whenever Bitcoin was around, 30,000, 31,000, 32, 35, Doggy would trail that in cents. So if Bitcoin was at 32,000, Doggy would be at 32 cents. If Bitcoin was at 35,000, Doggy would be at 35 cents. And so far, you guys can see that that's not the case anymore. And it's not going to be the case. This is a clear look at the yearly chart. Watch. This right here is what you would call an inverted shark fin, right? I don't like trading patterns. I like trading momentum. It doesn't really make sense to me. But when you have something like this, when you have a huge heavy drop, right? And then you come up like that and you retest and you don't break that previous drop's highs, like you don't break that, like watch. You could say that the high is somewhere around here. You don't break that high, right? It didn't break. It almost broke it. It would have been somewhere up here. Didn't break, came back to these levels, and just retested down. I can easily say that you're in a clear down, like a curved trend on the downside. I don't have a chart right now, but you guys can clearly see it, right? You guys can see how it curves down from here and slowly goes down this way. This you guys can see that 22 cents right now. This is gonna be the clear top for this rounded trend right here. And I'm telling you, it's just you're gonna see it's gonna fall. It's gonna keep going down. It's not gonna stop. Um, at least that's what I think, right? You guys look at this. Look at this high peak. And you're gonna see this drop back down to 20 cents. I almost guarantee it, especially going into the weekend. Like this momentum on the downside is horrible for doggy right now. I mean, it's not good. I mean, I only have like eight. I think about like $1,000 or something. I don't care, right? I just wanted to get a small. I just wanted to buy a little bit in at these prices, but I do have. I don't know how. I mean, if we create new lows, right? These lows were at what the lowest we saw for doggy was like 15, 16 cents. I'm telling you, I think we're gonna go back down to 7 cents, 5 cents. That's my guess, to be honest. Just from looking at that's just me looking at this blind chart. I can see easily what's going on. Like you guys can see, like there's not even a double top here, right? Like I wouldn't say it's a double top, but this pattern right here, I've seen it multiple times, multiple times. I've seen it right here. Doesn't break highs of the rundown, and then it has a curved pattern towards the downside. What would this be, like an inverted cup and handle? I don't know, man. It looks something like that. But I'm telling you, like this is not good. I don't think doggy's going up, and it's not trailing Bitcoin anymore. You can easily tell that it's not trailing Bitcoin anymore. So I don't know why people would start saying like, oh no, it's gonna trail Bitcoin and blah 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 this and that. No, it's not. It's gonna drop, and I still think that Bitcoin is gonna drop as well. But like I said, I'm not gonna make any big decisions until July 31st. If July 31st Bitcoin closes on the bearish side, we're all going to shit, bro. See you guys later.